Welcome. In front of me is a Blackview Tab 6, and today I'll show you how you can bypass the Google verification on this tablet. So, before I get started with the actual bypass, I'm gonna just quickly mention the state of this device so you can see it is locked. It's telling me to draw the pattern that was previously used as a screen lock on this device. I could also use the Google account instead to unlock it that way. Now, we're assuming that we don't know either one of those, so to get started, you will number one want to back out to the very first page, and actually, if you already are on the first page, go through it, connect to your network. As you can see, I am already connected, and then back out to the first page. And here we're going to select Vision Settings and TalkBack, and you want to enable it.
TalkBack on. Welcome to TalkBack. Welcome to TalkBack, page 1 of 5. TalkBack is a screen reader.
Now I do want to turn down the volume just because it's a little bit distracting to me. Now, once you have the Welcome to TalkBack page open, we're gonna draw a mirrored L like this on the screen. It will bring up a window right here, so allow Android accessibility to recode audio. We're gonna double tap on the first selected option, which is while using the app. Then single tap use voice commands, and before we double tap on it, I'm going to quickly go into what we will need to say to the device. This will need to be audibly told to the device because it is using voice commands. So we're going to first say open Google Assistant. This will give us like a couple beeps, one that accepts our voice command, the second one that now Google is listening to us. Once you hear the second one, you want to say open YouTube. So I'm going to go through it right now, and you can see and hear how it's, well, done. Open Google Assistant. Open YouTube.
Opening YouTube.
Now, that wasn't actually audible all that much. When I said open Google Assistant, it did say that it's opening Google Assistant. It was barely hearable because I did turn down TalkBack, but it did say that, and then once it did, as you've seen, opened up the Google Assistant at the bottom. And you want to say open YouTube. Once you see this like three little lines right here just start kind of like wobbling, that means that Google is now listening to you, and at that point you want to say open YouTube. Now, once we have our YouTube open, we will need to now suspend TalkBack, so we do so by holding volume up and volume down at the same time. Then select turn on, and then hold these two buttons once more. And now we can use our display normally. In here, we will start off by navigating into the account icon, and then help and feedback. And in search bar, you want to type in delete. So we're looking for none of these, I think. I think it's going to be this one. Now the one that we're looking for is delete apps on Google Play for some reason, which is a little bit of a new one. But as you can see, there's no such a option. So I'm gonna assume it's gonna be this one. No. Oh, but it does show it up here. So that's what we're gonna click on. So there we go. Now in here, we will now want to select the So we're going to select the text right here, go to tap to go to application settings, and in here we're looking for Android setup, which is right at the top. There is only one, I assume. Yep, sometimes there's two. And here you want to simply select force stop and OK. Once that's stopped, we're going to go back, and we're going to now scroll down to Google Play Services right over here, and we're going to select disable app, and the force stop. Okay. Again, we're gonna go back, and it looks like that once we have disabled these two things, we are now just gonna reboot the device. So hold your power button, select restart, Okay, so now that the device is back on, we're gonna progress through the setup a little bit to get to the Wi-Fi connection page. And we're gonna check if we have the option to set it up offline, and we do. So that's good. Now we're gonna actually back out, and we will basically be repeating the steps. So again, we're gonna select vision settings, we're gonna select TalkBack, enable, draw the L, double tap, open Google Assistant, as you can see, once you try to open it up, it gives us the page right here that we need to have Google Play Services enabled, which is one of those things that we have actually turned off. So here, once we have that enabled, let me just quickly check. So we're gonna go into the settings. All right, we need to double tap on it because of voice commands. Gonna hold volume up and volume down. This will suspend the TalkBack, so I can now tap on the screen normally. And in here, we're just gonna select enable. Now that I have enabled it, we're gonna go back. And we're again gonna progress through the setup. It did go too far, so we're gonna back out. So once you have the options to copy apps and data, you want to go back because it did skip over at this page. So once we're back on the Wi-Fi connection page, you want to now select setup offline. Now the reason we didn't want to do that before is because without Google Play Services, this wouldn't work. Once we enable Google Play Services, we can then actually set it up offline and it will allow us to go further. And from here, you can just kind of skip through most of the setup. And once the setup is finished, we now want to navigate into our settings. Scroll all the way down to System, Reset Options, and then delete all data, factory reset, and then erase all data, erase all data, and this will now begin factory resetting her device. Now at this point, we're basically finished. This is the last thing that we needed to do in order to fully unlock the device. Once the reset is finished, we'll be taken back to the setup screen for the tablet, but at that point the tablet is fully unlocked, so you can go through the setup however you want. We are now, like I mentioned, completely finished. So I'll let this run through and actually go through the setup once it's finished, just so for anyone who's interested, you can see that I don't need to verify anything. But like I mentioned, we're done. So anyway, gonna let it run through and come back. Okay, so as you can see, reset is now finished and we can go to the setup. Now key difference already is we are locking this little like icon that was previously visible right here. We can also set it up offline normally now without actually needing to do disabling of the Play services and all that stuff. So I'm gonna do so. And as you can see, we are now done. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.